Why should you appoint a funeral representative? Well, in 2019, the state of New Jersey quietly updated the law with respect to the appointment of a funeral representative. Now, under the old law, in order to designate a funeral representative, the only way to do it was in your will. The new law allows a person to designate a funeral representative using a form that has been approved by the New Jersey Cemetery Board. Now, this form can be taken to the appropriate funeral parlor or cemetery where arrangements can be made. But the big question is, what do they do? Well, a funeral representative is a person that you can designate to control how your remains will be disposed of. Basically, the representative is a person with legal authority to determine if you are buried, cremated, interred. This is also the person to determine where you are buried or where your ashes should be placed. Now, when is it important to nominate a funeral representative? Great question. It is really important to nominate a funeral representative if you don't want your next of kin making funeral or burial arrangements for you. Often this happens when you may have estranged family members and you want to make a friend help you make those arrangements. Or you don't have any next of kin, or your next of kin do not get along with each other. Or you might be in a blended family. Say you're married, but you have children from a previous relationship. Or finally, you may not believe that your next of kin will respect your funeral or burial wishes. For example, your family may wish you to be buried, but you want to be cremated. What is on the New Jersey form to appoint a funeral agent? Well, that form allows you to appoint an agent who will have the sole authority to make decisions regarding your funeral and your final disposition of your remains. The form does provide a space for you to state your wishes for both arrangements. Now, once you sign that form, any other appointment of the funeral representative you have will be revoked. When you sign this form, it is similar to signing a will. You need 2 witnesses and a notary. But note, you can appoint an owner, an employee, or a representative of a funeral home, cemetery, or crematory that you've chosen or will choose to do the services for you, unless that representative is a family member. As you can see, choosing this form is so important. A person like this is an integral part of your estate plan. If you don't have this form, please click below for an appointment with our firm, and we'd be so happy to help you with this.